2013. Again, the snowstorm of March 6, 2016. Videotaping. No, I don't have my jacket on. No, it's okay. I can see everything. What do you see on here? I can't see it.
Snow?
Okay, March 6, 2013. Snowstorm. It's coming down very heavy. Wow. I mean, it's huge. I think it's going to be a blizzard. I mean, look at it. It's a storm. It's basically a blizzard. The wind's supposed to pick up later today. It's at 30 miles per hour.
I need you to go outside by the door, just by the door. Check that window is closed where it's open this morning.
You think close?
I don't know. Try just to open that window.
Hold on.
Bring that inside. You want me to carry that here? It's the moist. What's Chelsea? You let me know, but I have this one have a lot of fish.
Alright.
Mystery video coming to us from Jerry out of Mount Airy, Maryland. Now, we have a particular fondness for Jerry because we were able to kind of work with him a couple years ago during the snowstorm. He did some interviews for us, showing us his live news stream throughout the hours, which of course helped us tell the story. So again, this is Jerry in Mount Airy. And Jerry is very thinks this morning, falling a little bit right there. So on top of that, since we're going on the pictures today, I get the honor apparently of talking about the pet of the day. So, you know, so of course we can't forget about them, our little bowling friends. This morning, say hello to Alex.
This is cute panda. This cute panda at the zoo. They're used to the snow, so.
That one and the bear.
Because they're from China, so they're used to the snow. I'm gonna go out this way.
Where are you gonna go out this way? You can see it by the door. Close back. Very good. Thank you for checking in.
Thank you for asking me to check it.
No good.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, hello. Okay. See you later, alligator.
Alright, here we go. Turn this off.